welcome back to my channel. This is Modesty33 here, aka Crystal with a C, back at you with another video. But if you are new to my channel, you just happen to click on, welcome. I put out at least 2 videos a week, one sit down, one reaction video. Currently I'm reacting to Marvel's Runaways. And also with my sit down videos, I've been kind of getting into reviews, but I also have a lot of unboxings. In the past I have been doing some shopping, so I have got some unboxing videos on my channel of some luxury items, of just some normal day-to-day items that I pick up, and also again just reviews on luxury items, reviews on different things that I've purchased, and I just want to kind of share with you guys. So today is an unboxing. Yes. So I know I said I wasn't going to be doing no more unboxings and I was transitioning to reviews, but I'm actually very hopeful that after today's video and after this video goes up, you will start seeing more reviews on certain items. And if you have not checked out, some of my prior reviews, make sure you do that. I just recently put up a review / date night video of when I went to see The Incredibles 2. So if that intrigues you as well, you're kind of interested about certain movies, check that video out as well. But you guys, again, today's going to be an unboxing. It should be a quick unboxing. I only have like one item to show you guys. And if you watch my Bath & Body Works haul video, you may have an inkling of what this is, because I kind of talked about it in that video, about one particular item that I've had for 7 years that started malfunctioning, and I went ahead and replaced it. So guys, I went through Walmart to get this new item, and I went through Walmart because it was giving like 5% cash back through Ebates. You guys know how I harp on Ebates pretty much in every video, and I always include my link, whether it's a reaction video or a review or unboxing video. I always talk about Ebates and kind of include that on my videos. So and if you don't know about Ebates, you guys, again, check out my videos. But essentially it's a cashback app if you online shop, and sometimes when you shop in store. So through Walmart, they had 10% cash back for a short period of time, but for electronics it was 5%, which was more than some of the other websites I looked at, including Target, including Apple, including, again, just a lot of other electronic based websites. This Walmart was offering the most cash back, so that's why ultimately I decided to go with Walmart. So I was able to get a lot of good cash back. Plus I had a friend who works at Walmart, so thanks, friend. So she gladly let me use her discount too for this particular item. And then with Ebates, I got a good amount of money back as well. So, all around savings. Again, you guys, certain items normally would be kind of a stretch for me, but because I use Ebates, I'm able to, get these items, and it's not, too bad of a hit. So again, guys, if you remember my last video, I talked about the fact that my iPod hit the fritz. I had my wet wipes in my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, which has kind of been my work bag for this month. And also I had my iPod Touch in there, and this never happens, but the flap of my wet ones opened up and it got liquid inside of my iPod Touch, and it no longer works. Essentially it worked for like a day after the incident, but then it stopped working. So let me show you guys. This is my old iPod Touch, 32 gigs, and this is like the original case, you guys, that I purchased with it. And I bought this one from Apple because it is monogrammed on the back. You probably won't be able to see it, but it just says Proverbs. Let me look. I don't know, you probably won't be able to see it, but it just says Proverbs 31, Lady in Waiting, CCM and him. CCM are my initials, and then him is God, referring to God. So I've had that for 7 years, since 2011 when I got this one, 32 gigabytes again. And then this is just the case that I got with it, which was like a Kate Spade. I thought it was really cute. So, and actually I bought it through Apple with the case as well. So yeah, I've had this for 7 years. And actually I want to show you guys, I still have my iPod even before I got the Touch. This was like I think 30 gigabyte regular iPod. I think this one you could watch videos on as well, but it doesn't have the speaker function that the iPod Touch has. And again, it had like just a click wheel. This one I think got liquid in it as well, and then this one stopped working. But occasionally when I plug it up, it will sometimes work for a brief period of time, and then it hits the fritz again. So that's why I've kept it. But yeah, I've got both of my prior iPods, you guys, and none of them work now. So I wanted to show you guys my new iPod. I did end up getting, well, let me just unbox it and show you. So it just came in this box, and I used Walmart pickup for it, which essentially, it, you know, means that you pick it up from Walmart once it's available. They don't ship it to you if you choose the Walmart pickup option, which I kind of feel like, in all honesty, I probably should have just had it shipped. It was a little bit cheaper to have it shipped, but I thought I could get it quicker through Walmart pickup. Not so. So that was kind of, for me, a learning lesson and kind of a waste, but it was still cool, you know, regardless. It was good to use the service. So my new iPod comes in this packaging, you guys. And again, it is an iPod Touch, and it is from Apple. You'll see that. And it's got the details kind of like right here. So let me open this really quickly for you guys. And this is what it looks like when I took it out of that little packaging. And you can kind of see. So I got the 128 gigabyte iPod Touch, like I mentioned in that video. And it has it on the back of here, 128. And then the color I got was gold, because I don't have anything gold. And, you know, if gold was going to be an option, I was going to go ahead and select it. So let me see if I can open this. And I ordered 2 cases from Amazon. One is waterproof, because I tend to have water accidents with my electronics. So, you know, I'm not, you know, again, I got discount through Ebates, but that don't mean it was free. I've had this past iPod Touch for 7 years, so I feel like I got my money's worth. So I wasn't too sad about it. Then my best friend actually made me feel worse about it, because she listens to music every single day, and it was kind of detrimental after she talked to me about it to get a new one. So yeah, I went ahead and got on top of that. And I kind of considered it to be, I guess, like a birthday gift to myself. I'm going to put out that vlog, you guys, but if you don't know, Saturday, June 16th was my birthday, my 34th birthday. So Modesty 33 is now 34, but the name will not be changing. But yes, I am 34 years old now. So I got a few things. I wasn't planning on getting this, of course, because while my iPod was working, I wasn't planning on getting a new one. But again, this is such as life, you know, unexpected purchases. But this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. And it's not like a bright gold. It's kind of like a pale gold, which is really nice. And that's what the front looks like, with just the plastic on the front. So, and then it comes with also your case, or, you know, your little case with your charger port thing, and then the headphones. So I'm interested to try out these headphones to see how they work out. In the past, I have not had really good fortunes with Apple headphones, but I have a wireless headphones anyway, so it doesn't really matter if they do or don't work out. So that's my iPod Touch, you guys. So I kind of consider this to be, you know, again, like a little birthday gift to myself. And then I have 2 cases on the way, so I can show you those when they come if you're interested. So yeah, that was a birthday gift, along with my bag that I've been showing you guys, my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini. And again, I'm gonna probably keep talking about this bag in future videos, because I am actually probably gonna do a dedicated video to this bag, or probably talk about it a little bit more in a another type of bag video. But yeah, this is kind of like an unexpected birthday gift to myself as well, because I happened again to have it in the Louis Vuitton store when I went, which, if you know anything about the Louis Vuitton, this is again the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini backpack. If you know anything about this backpack, it's very difficult to get, very popular. So when I went Memorial Day weekend, I just happened to get it. So they happen to have it in the store, so I just decided to go for it. So yeah, don't regret it. I really like the bag, and I'm gonna again talk about that more in another video. But guys, that was my unboxing. One item. So when I get the other cases, I'll show you guys those. I did get some cases from Walmart, but I think I'm actually going to return these once my Amazon cases come. And these are just kind of like some silicone cases, a blue, pink, and a black one. Nothing really special, but I really wanted some kind of more sturdy cases. So those will be on the way soon. So I'm probably going to return those cases. But anyway, you guys, that's my unboxing. Just want to kind of show you my new iPod Touch. And if you guys have one, or if you've, again, I mentioned that in my last video, if you record or edit videos on your iPod Touch, let me know how that works out for you, what you think about it. I will probably come back in another video with a more thorough review of this item as I'm transitioning into reviews, and let you guys know what I think of it, if it was worth the money, how it compares to my old iPod, and you know, similarities, differences that I noticed. But again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys supporting my channel. Thank you for all my new subscribers. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers recently, so hello, welcome. I don't know what drew you, but hopefully you will stay and stick around. So if it's the reaction videos, again, guys, be expecting more of those. If it's my sit down videos, I will be putting out more of these videos as well. But again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.